Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and our guest room is on its way to cozy now that we have this beautiful comforter by LOVSOUL. This is a queen size microfiber comforter, and it's a great down alternative. What I love about it is that it is still so cozy, but it's not too heavy, so it makes a great all-season comforter, which is perfect for the guest room. One thing that I absolutely love about this comforter that I've never had in any other comforter I've owned is the corner tabs. It has a little loop in every corner and actually at every midpoint on the sides, so that this is the perfect duvet insert. It stays nice and secure within the duvet. So convenient. I absolutely love that feature. And now that we have this comforter, I'm especially excited to have our next guests over. And that's my point of view.